Okay students, now we are going to simplify few K-maps which are given in the question. First one, see, while solving the K-map, so we have studied about pairs, quads and octets. Okay, so in the K-map we may be having pairs, quads and octets, but always first priority you should give to octet. You have to check whether you have adjacent 8 ones. First you have to check for octet. First priority you should give for octet. You should search for octet first. If there is no octet, then you have to search for quad. You have to search for quad, 4 adjacent ones. Everything, all 4 corners you check, folding you check, everything you check. Normally students will make this mistake. Immediately they will see 2 adjacent ones, they will make a pair, but while folding, if you consider the folding part, in both the sides 2 ones will be there. So instead of pairing, what you should do quad only. So first priority always you should give to octet, then quad. If no quad and octet possible, then you should do pair. If pair is also not possible, then single you can go. Single is you will not get mostly, but okay. So first priority octet, then quad, then pair. Okay. So now see the K-map and tell me. Is quad possible here? First we have to check octet. Is there any octet? No octet available. No octet available. But I can see quads. How many quads? 2 quads. 2 quads. 1. So this is quad 1. Quad 2. The last one is pair 1. So my y will be q1 plus q2 plus pair 1 equal to. So now we write. So we know that this is A, B, C, D. Solve this. This I'll explain next. You have to solve. See the quad 1 I have taken this. Quad 1 I have taken this. So first one. The function is A bar, B bar, C, D bar plus A bar B plus equal to. Quad 1, next to quad 2, quad 2, quad 2, these 4 ones. So this one I am writing A, B and C bar D bar. This one, A, B, C bar D. Next to this one, A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Next last one, A bar, B bar, C bar, D. Equal to, cancel. A, B bar. So Q1, Q2 over, quad 1, quad 2 over, next pair. Pair 1 is equal to, this one is A bar, B bar into C bar, D bar. Next, this one is A bar, B bar, C, D. Now you can write final answer y is equal to C bar D bar plus A C bar plus A bar B bar D. See students, this is one important thing while solving the K-map. If you are taking and solving a quad in a 4 variable K-map, I am telling, in a 4 variable K-map, if you are solving a quad, you will get 2 variable result. See, my 2 variables are C and D. You can check the second quad also. Q2 you solve, you got again 2 variable answer. Next, if we solve a pair in a 4 variable K-map, we'll see. We have solved this pair in the 4 variable K-map. So I got 3 variable result. The variables are A, B, D. It may be any variable, but 3 variable result I will get. Next, if I solve a octet in a 4 variable K-map, what will be my answer? 1 variable result. So if I solve a octet in a 4 variable K-map, I will get 1 variable result. Quad 2 variable result. Pair 3 variable result. So from this you will come to know whether you are getting correct answer or